right, we are on SHAPE-5 right now. SHAPE-5 is aluminum, and grid spacing is the same. Kind of unique shape with some angles here. Let's go ahead and give it a count. We have from the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tall. 1, 2, 3, 4 wide. 2 and 2. That's pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That way. 1, 2, 3. That should be enough to get us started. One of the things we can do with this is kind of a subtractive stance instead of maybe the typical additive version. So let's give something different a try here and see how we make this guy. And again, the last one here, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's try this out. So I've got an 8, a 6, and a 4. Fusion. New design, sketch, red and green. I'm going to draw a box this time. And the height, I'm just going to leave it there. We'll come and check our numbers. I already forgot them. So 6, 8, and 4. All right, dimension 6 times 0.25. 8 times 0.25. Finish. Extrude. Back. We said 4 minus 4 times 0.25. That's the whole entire block. And we got to cut some angles out of that. Let's go back and take a look here. Oops, here at this guy. This first angle is 2 left over and 5 left over. Let's see if we can draw a line like that. So I'm going to do a sketch on this face. I'm going to draw a line 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right, now let's see if we can get this shape correct. I think this was 5. Let's see what that top one was again. 2. 2 times 0.25. All right. I'm going to go ahead and hit that home button first so I can see what that looks like. Finish. Extrude this one back. Minus 2 times 0.25. 2 times 0.25. All right, that's looking pretty good. Now I got to cut that corner off. My sketch will go right here on this surface, not that one, but this one. Let's get some lines going. This time I'm going to draw a triangle. And each time I make sure I come back to the point I left off from and connect those so it's a solid object. All right, let's go take a look at what those numbers are. If I were to draw a straight line this way and a straight line this way, you could see that this is 3 tall, 1, 2, 3, and 2 wide. All right. So my triangle then is 2 times 0.25, 3 times 0.25, and there it is. Finish. Extrude that way. Distance, I'm going to say all. And there it goes. Got it. Slide it over. Bodies, sketches. Here, right click, physical material. Aluminum as well. Metal. Grab aluminum. Drop it. Close. And properties, slide it over. All my info is right here. Snip, new, grab it, copy it. Oops. Wrong window. Object shape-5. Enter. Control V. Enter. Shape 6 is next.